Time fundini besizayivala ke it is 11:58 but ribs akafiki so before ribs siza mnatsikelo ribs we have our last and yokugqibela inantsika for an interview for the day excited no Osman Prati Mrwebi excited no yeah if you don't understand why we say yes I did on Brad, it is because that we are on that segment whereby we have an interview the English because we have a problem with your mic. Speak if okay, let me do this. Yeah. You nice, Kego?
Yeah, I'm nice and sweet and lekker.
Yeah,
right about now we're gonna take off with the private jet and fly to United States now. We need to bag the tongue now.
But you know
bag the tongue.
Yeah. And also we are when it's not United States, we are flying to Jamaica when I'm hiking.
Yeah. You know, man. Rastafari.
Now, without wasting any time, we have stand up.
Yes, man.
It's a Jehovah stand up.
P is stand up.
P is stand up.
Yeah. You know most that stand up means stand up. Okay.
So they are saying
I mean
P is stay up.
Yeah, I'm interested in the name stand up. P stand up.
Yes.
Yeah. So what made you think out the name PE stand up?
Yeah, let's just start like that.
The background behind the name PE stand up.
The background behind the name.
Yeah.
It actually came 4 years ago, man, when we had an incident. I used to do, me and another German, we used to do events in, I don't know if you know, Van der Kemp Kloof.
Van der Kemp. No, I'm familiar with the name.
It's, you know, it's like how can we call it, a picnic site.
Okay.
Yeah, in Bettelsdorp.
Yeah.
Van der Kemp Kloof, yeah.
So it's a nice place where
nice
people
place. You must check it out sometime. It's in Bettelsdorp. Yeah. So it's like a history, heritage place.
Heritage site,
Okay. So we used to do on Sundays. We used to do because it's called Van der Kemp Kloof. We used to do pull-ups there with our sound systems, and we called it Kloof het Geloof.
Okay.
You know, that was that was the events name that we used to do every Sunday.
Okay.
So this particular Sunday we had a female artist there, and I met her that Sunday. I met her there, and we had some nice vibes, and something happened there in the Kloof that day.
Yeah.
Long story short, she lost her life that night.
The lady?
Yeah, the lady. She
Oh
lost her life that night.
that.
So we had a tribute. A few weeks after that, we had a tribute event. All the local artists from PE, we had all of them. We got together in a neighborhood in front of our house. We had a tribute event to her, you know, because she was an upcoming artist. So all of us, we had her, and right there, I was the MC actually. It's my first time that I actually did MC for any type of event. We did a pull-up there, so I was the MC there, and during the day, I just this whole how can I say, lingo came out every time when I MC PE.
Stand up, PE, stand up. And then they felt it, like
they felt it. And, we started actually the hip hop movement. We started from the PE stand up hip hop movement, and from there, we actually did all of the local neighborhoods. We went and do pull-ups every Saturday. We went to a new neighborhood. We did a pull-up. New neighborhood. We did a pull-up. Got all of the artists locally. We had them there. Do your thing, because we believe that we want everyone to, you know, have a united front, and we must stand together and show that we as the northern areas, we're not just known for gangster crime, you know, all the stigma that they used to put on us, you see. So we wanted our local artists, and my view of it was it's senseless of being an artist and no one really knows you in your neighborhood. So my thing was why I actually went to every single neighborhood and actually got the artists from that neighborhood to have a pull-up, because I want you to perform in front of your neighbors.
Yes, man.
And the people in your street, so that they can see what you actually doing and who you are. So you're not just the boy walking past here with your bag and your headphones on. You actually
they don't even know what you're doing.
Don't know what you're doing. You see, walking with you, they don't know that you actually preparing yourself for some. So now they actually know you see, and I told them, you see, since with being on YouTube and all of this artists, it's good being there, you see, but for me it's more, let the people know who you are.
Yes.
Especially
Especially
neighbors know who you are, you
Yes,
see,
man.
and they the ones that's actually going to support you.
Yes, because it begins at home.
Charity begins at home, you see,
Yes.
so that's where PE stand up came from, you see, charity begins. Start
Oh,
right,
yeah.
back.
Great stuff. I want you, Sila my king.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I want you to explain when my king as stand up. Some people don't know you, Mosiabo.
Yeah,
So tell us who is stand up, like individually,
Yeah.
and how did you start stand up and what is doing.
What are you doing? Yeah.
Okay, like I said, I go by the name of MC Bully, and I started the movement basically. I started the movement with a few other, with the DJ Upside Down, and he's also our producer of Winking Records. He's also doing our producing and all of that. So whenever we got a new artist that's maybe struggling with some studio time or producing or that, I would recommend looking Upside Down. Is the guy you see, go there to him. Another guy that was also with me back then is he was DJ Nado. He's a Rastafarian, he's a dancehall DJ, actually well known in the dancehall, same year in PE. So he had a sound system back then, you see, and the three of us, you see, we got together and we started this whole thing. Like I said, we went from community to community and went from parky, you know, these nice parks. We went from parky to parky, and we got the guys, got the artists, got them do your thing, show yourself, use this platform. And we actually got a lot of artists from the streets, you see, that actually now is known. And it's actually doing this now. It's more not just hobby now, it's actually going more full time into this, you see. And then I met my brother over here, Tepa G, and he's actually my spally also.
Who took the sister?
Who took the sister?
Who took the sister?
He took the first sister, I took the second sister.
Oh my God!
Yeah, we.
You did like this?
Yeah, we
Exchange of
You
goods.
crossed him.
No, we not crossed. We married two sisters.
Okay, same sisters.
All in the same house.
Okay.
In the same house,
Yeah. This is beautiful.
Yeah,
So you meet there by the gate when you come and look for your date?
So it's actually through them.
through them, you see, through my wife now, my wife now.
Through my wife.
Yeah.
That we actually met.
And
In he's in the music industry. I'm in the music industry. Obviously, we aliens. We're gonna connect.
Yes,
man.
Okay.
We're gonna connect.
Yes, man.
So you started loving the girls before you meet.
and then we always moved, you see, as you can see, we're Rasta, man. So we always moved in the same circle.
In the same circle, man.
Yeah,
And
man.
doing the same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But now you see from different sides of PE, you see, so from different. So eventually our paths crossed. You see, via the two sisters, and then you see
It was inevitable.
Yeah, but so we start mixing it up, you see, and we went to studio and we dropped the song that you heard now before we start up, and it went.
And that was actually the first song we recorded
First song
together,
we
and
recorded.
then it was a hit. It was Song of the Year.
The beat is done up.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it
it's
went
done
to
up,
PE.
yeah.
When did you start recording the song?
It was 2
Uh,
years ago.
No. It was 2024 2024.
Yeah.
Song of the Year.
Song of the Year, yeah. It was
Song of the Year.
2024 Song of the Year.
2020. The song came from 2023.
So we
So-
recorded in 2023, late 2023, and it went to the Hip Hop Awards. We entered into the Hip Hop Awards 2024, and
Oh, okay. So when I brought the
So that's the
when you explain your sound, how would you explain your sound? Would you say it's
So you must start by introducing yourself so that they can know who you are, and then tell us about the song.
Okay, I'm Depa G, as they all know me.
King Man?
I'm actually an ancient hip hop, a hip hop kid.
Okay.
I recorded my first song, 2004.
Yes,
Oh,
Yeah,
that was back then.
Yeah,
back in the days.
Back in the days, I'm still looking for that songs. We made music videos that time. You remember that the Motorola V220?
Yes,
yeah,
man.
yeah.
The E250?
The one you slide it up, man.
Yeah, man. You see?
The one with the, what you call it, rip-on. Yeah,
that one was
Sometimes it just faints and then the screen shows white, so you know it's a rip-on.
Yeah, that's right.
change.
Yeah, so we used to
Flex.
play our songs on the phone. We took a small digital camera.
Yes,
The quality wasn't too good because it was 2004.
Yes, man.
Oh, yes. And you can't buy it.
That's 22 years back.
Yes.
That's 22 years back. Some of the rappers wasn't even born.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
We took the small camera. We played our song here on the phone next to the camera. We did perform there. I was a mic star. I'm from Boyson Park. Originally from Boyson Park. I joined the Mic Stars. We were 9 in the group. Back then, 2004.
Yeah, that's a Wu-Tang Clan.
ZOW was the producer. He was the Dr. Dre.
Yeah.
Doing everything in Afrikaans.
Sorry?
Everything is done in Afrikaans.
The rapping.
Afrikaans and English.
Okay.
And by that time, we had more than 50 songs already that we recorded. Even now, I actually want to revive that guy.
Yeah.
So, because he's busy with other stuff.
Yeah, he's no longer focusing on music.
No. You have lots of music, but all the music is in the garage. The studio is still the same. You have now, I'm not gonna lie to you, maybe more than 100 songs. Hits.
Yes.
Hits,
You
but
didn't.
nothing is out.
You didn't release.
We didn't release.
So the guy is underrated or what?
He's like I say, if I'm gonna make it, he's gonna make it.
Okay.
So you're gonna pull it
It's just a
out.
matter of who's gonna go up first.
Yeah.
And then put the other one.
Yeah, man. It's
Yes,
like
like
it.
that.
But I came from that time. Even Ajmi, you watched us the rap break times at school. Tertia Skyler, respect. Tertia Skyler, he was the one that showed me how to beatbox.
Okay.
You see, in Ajmi, you know what's Ajmi and Earl? Earl and Ajmi.
He's an Afrikaans rap
Yeah, MC Earl and Ajmi. They were the Bluetooth, what? The Bluetooth king, who's that?
Bluetooth Kings, yeah.
Yeah.
Back in the days.
Back in the days,
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
Everyone had like them.
Earl is actually big time now.
Oh.
Earl is actually, you can search him, early B.
Oh, LB, I know LB.
Yeah.
LB, we go to the
He's
same
from-
school. That's where I know. I also saw him in advert.
Yeah.
Shoprite.
He's from Bloemendaalmos.
Okay. Yeah.
But I come from that time, 2004, I made my first song.
Okay.
That time I had maybe 7 music videos already. I recorded like that with a small camera. Sounded edited itself on Movie Maker because there was not lots of apps at that time. Like now.
So when I'm listening here, these guys were doing it professionally from the start.
Back in the days.
Because you can't be doing videos and selling them still whilst you're still starting up now.
Those days were not TikTok times.
Yeah,
You
man.
can't upload on TikTok.
Yeah.
And those were the battle rap days.
Yes, man. Yeah, a battle is a battle.
I remember we were 9 in the group.
Mm.
We were 9, so we had to test each other.
Yeah.
You see?
Yes.
So everyone knew his place in the group.
That was a real top. That was another thing, a top shelf thing, man. Because when you explain yourself, I feel like you were professional even back at that time. You see, so you were taking your work very seriously. So that's motivating, man.
From my point of view, from that time until this time, nothing to change. I'm still that same rapper of that time.
Yeah.
But this is the time
The
now.
new era.
Yeah, this is the new era. But I can do any genre. You see.
Yeah. So they say even if you still hanging on your roots, you don't want to lose them, where you come from, the way you used to do your things. but you must try and find the cheat code
Yeah,
so that
and
then you can
you
get
can
there
help it,
and then deliver what you are.
Exactly, yeah. So, like now you see technology is now the thing that we can now actually use that we didn't have back in the days.
Yeah,
we
man.
didn't have all of these streaming platforms. We didn't have
Where you
all
can
of
post
these.
your
Yeah, we didn't have all of
We
these.
had mix it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we had
we had
mixed
mixed
it.
it.
You can't post your
We
video.
can't
Yeah,
post anything
mix it.
there, you
Yeah,
see.
yeah,
So there's now nice platforms now you see where you can actually for artists you don't even need now even AI is killing it even now you see.
Yes,
yeah.
So the way technology is getting advanced now you see it's for artists but my thing always is because I'm from old school you see that my thing is always you can never put a flavor AI or all of these other can never put that flavor you
Yeah,
see.
Yeah, the
You
realness.
never put that
naturality.
realness, you see, in the craft, in the art, you see. It must always come from the artist himself.
Yeah,
you see.
yeah.
So you can
There's no fun in that,
There's
man.
no fun in that. you see.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Imagine you finishing a song within a second because you typed it.
Yeah, bro. You just put there 2-3 keywords and then boom, your whole verse come out. You see, there's no depth in that verse. you see.
So Kingman, in terms of your music, hence I'm saying Kingman.
Yeah, man.
Do you what's the genre or how do you describe it? Because one would think because I'm seeing you like this, what I'm seeing with my eyes, one would think with maybe you're doing reggae, rootsy,
We call it Afrikaans dance, bro. We call it Afrikaans or it's
Yeah.
like Afrikaans dance or fused together. If you know dance or
I know dancehall.
music and Afrikaans
And
music, obviously.
music.
So because we
Oh,
Afrikaans hip hop, we originating from Afrikaans hip hop. You see, I wouldn't say Afrikaans hip hop because all of us started with hip hop.
Yeah.
See, so hip hop was always the thing that where we found our first love. You see.
Yeah.
We just took it now from the English American and we brought it
you-
back to
in
us.
your tongue.
We brought it back to South Africa, to the northerns, you see. We
Yeah.
brought it to our streets and we took it with our language and our slang, you see. So we took the Afrikaans and now we took the Jamaican dance
And then
and we fused it together and we came up with Afrikaans or
Yes!
Yes.
Beautiful. So creative.
Yeah.
So
So
that's sorry to interrupt. That's actually I would say it birthed in Afrikaans or birthed in Cape Town.
Yeah,
Found
okay.
its roots in Cape Town because most of the top Afrikaans whole artists is from Cape
It's
Town,
from
the
Cape
Western
Town.
Cape, you see. And we're not actually copying, but we're just taking from there, you see, and we bring it now back to the northern.
That's what it's the same
putting our
thing.
own flavor
Yeah.
back into that, you see. But if I must be now really now honest, that is where Afrikaans all came from, you see.
So tell me, Rasta, I see like Okanye, I feel like you're doing your music in Afrikaans, English, using the
Yes, sir.
dancehall, ne?
Yes, sir.
So do you do gigs most? You go on stage, you perform in some
Yeah.
places. So do you have a fan base when it comes to our side? You see the this side,
Black community.
the black community. Or they call you there and perform, or
We still working on that,
On
you see,
that.
because it's still fairly even to our even to the northern area side also, even to shall I say to Port Elizabeth itself, Afrikaans is still fairly new to the Port Elizabeth.
Yes.
Yes. You see.
Yeah.
The dance or the Rastaman of Port Elizabeth will more engage more
Yeah.
to what we delivering, you see. So we getting more gigs from the dancehall organizers, you see. We had a few gigs here from the dancehall organizers who's normally doing dancehall shows and dancehall events, you see, in PE. But from the hip hop community, we had a few events, but it's still fairly new, you see. We can do better to when it comes to getting gigs.
Yeah.
And we would actually love to get more gigs on this side. You see, that's why we actually here with Cassie Flow today, you see, to get that merge
To
and
bridge that gap.
because we need to get the whole Eastern Cape
Yeah, man.
to stand up.
Yes.
Yeah, fair true. That is the machine. Yeah, but I'm looking at the time and we are eating. Man. I want us to tell us what is in for the future for
The plans.
for PE. and what can we wait for? Or maybe there's something in store already, that you want us to go and listen to, So what is it for B Stand Up?
Okay, there is definitely works coming out. There's definitely works.
And you said you got a lot of work in the garage.
There is definitely even more PE stand-up music also from Depaji and MC Bali. There's gonna be more music coming from outside.
And you're gonna bring it here, Mos.
Obviously,
We're gonna be the first one.
bring it here first. And then, like I said, basically PE stand-up is a hip-hop movement, a street hip-hop movement that I started, you see, and we're still in the streets. We're still doing gigs. And if you can follow us on our page and my page, we're always putting our posters out there.
Okay.
So whatever gigs, and now at the moment we're more entwined with Pixel Production, working with Gabriel Entertainer, and working now.
Well, shout out to Gabriel. He's the one that keeps on.
Always shout out to
keep
Gabriel
on his people.
Entertainer. That guy is a plug in PE.
Yeah, man.
And we're working on the Bekgevecht now at the moment.
Yeah, and then the Bekgevecht is happening.
This is one of the participants.
Oh, you're gonna bet him?
This is one of the
I actually
battlers.
defeated the general.
Yeah, man.
Defeated?
Yeah, I defeated the general.
But my day was
Depaji versus the general.
Same thing that we did.
Yeah, it's better.
Okay.
Yeah.
The person now.
Even all Cocaine Man Skills is there.
Yeah,
The guys that we did there, they were there.
Shout out, Cocaine is my
Yeah, so we busy now on the 31st of August. There's gonna be the Bekgevecht, the second event.
Yeah, hostel takeover.
Hostel takeover is event's name is gonna be in Missionville. You can just check out.
No, Gabriel just invited me there already.
Okay, so you're gonna see
So
me.
I'm gonna see
yeah,
you.
so
Yeah.
we on that roster. I'm emceeing there, obviously.
MC.
I'm the house MC there. So yeah, and yeah, that is basically what we busy with.
Yeah.
So I think you need to
Give us
create
plans.
that bridge whereby or I think you need guys to make music that will collaborate even us.
Yeah,
Yes,
we'll call
yeah,
it. Have that one closer first, even though the chorus is
Because I came from brothers like that. I was the Eminem in the closer group.
on
man.
that 9 people, ne?
No, not that 9 people.
Okay.
This was another group.
Yeah,
It
man.
was just black guys.
Yeah.
There was 6. It was Noiser. It was Charlie Bite.
Mm.
It was
Thor.
Thor.
It was nice low. I'm not sure.
He came from Greenfield 85. Noiser did, but he's
Okay.
also here by Dwersey.
Is that one? Nice, the black guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
I had lots of songs with him, more than 10 songs with that guy. I was the only one rapping in Afrikaans, sometimes in English.
Yeah, that's
I was the
South
only
African
person-
Rainbow Nation.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
So now, yeah, what you guys is providing here and what we guys bringing from that side, we're gonna mix this whole pot up.
Yeah,
We as colors, we like to pochicos.
Yeah, man.
You know everything.
The nice
is in
one with
pot.
the bread.
Everything is in the pot.
Yes, man.
Yeah. So guys, yeah, man, that's what we.
Thank you very much, man, guys. We're wasting your time. Closing. Last words
Talk
that
to
you
your
have.
people.
Last words that you have, and also please tell us your
So you don't have
your handles, Facebook, no, and everything.
You're not gonna play their closing song.
Yeah, they're gonna tell me which song. Which song do you want us to play?
Freaky girls is so bad.
Freaky girls. So okay.
Yeah.
Freaky girls. MC Berlin Japanese. Yeah, our handles, my handles is all Facebook, I don't have Instagram at the moment, but Facebook and TikTok, MC Berlin. You can just type MC Berlin.
Everywhere.
P Stand Up is on, you can search P Stand Up on Facebook, you can search us on, we have a TikTok P Stand Up page also, so you can just search there, P Stand Up.
Okay. That was PE Stand Up kuthiwa by Mambozi PE imali ngenyawo phakamani PE phakamani bethuna kutsho amadoda ngapha ya kwi-northern areas ke guys. They came on the studio STK FM 91.5. It's on air, but now we are not just shooting guns tina, we're also shooting bars. Uyayifaka into kamabutela Yes, now we are trying finding Ingoma Yabo. Trying to find out Ingoma Yabo. MC Billion. Now MC Billion.
Can we do so long while we're waiting?
My phone. Okay.
Yeah, so sisela hapo ke betuna ixesha ke ngalo mzuzu ke it's 12:23 ke benya ngomgqibelo 18 July. Please do enjoy.
Yeah, man.
As there by G
Oké, kijk hier, ik wil het zelf moet weet. Ik heb nog hier easy beat gehoord, ik toen ze klaar gereed. En de rap bij ons met kost en ik is bij je uitgevreed om elke rapper te overreed. Wie is dit bij G? Wat doen dit bij hier? Ik is een mystery, plus ik maak net hits. Ik speel cricket samen met rappers en ik sla net six. De game's empire roept mij die baas van die bitch. Wie kan mij beat, brother, breng gewoon beat. You, I'm bevloeken wat je tel, dit bij G is sis. Ik is jammer als kies, maar ik heb net genies. Die is maar een freestyle zonder om te vries, zonder om te schrijven. Klank ik precies, zo vat me aan dis. Dit wat ik jou geef, van niemand kan mij stoppen, brother, niemand kan mij keer. In 2024 to win een song of the year. Dan ga ik ze you, amper vloek ik weer. Ik wonder van de blauwek, ik wonder van de schijnie lichten van de glowek. Zeg over mij, ik wonder, ga ik ooit de show ik? Ik wonder, is het rare genoeg wat ik nou weet? Zeg over mij.
Yeah.
That was Depa G, man, with his freestyle. Let's play stand up again.
Yeah, man. That was Depachi. As if I get freestyle from on top of the beat. Yes, man. Depachi. Mati Kebona. Big stand up. Yes, man, bro. Sitting out of Zuzu.
Yes, man.
That's what we're in the park. And Gomeniabo. City Betuna. As a woman is Waka Matshaya. Include attention. His Tanos got damn till.
Yeah.
Tibamangazo just being. Titi goes.
Yeah, as Mabuta the Nuda Induana stronger Induana in the muscles and Kloko, Siabulela, Siakopa Molshovo, man. Thank you to Utepachi and also MC Billy. Kunye, no Nisto Fundini, Kunye, na watu wamefigilo Zuxi, Ojusi, Ochanosi, Kunye no Kumalo. It was a great day. And also, thank you very much. Umdakwete Simoshile, man. Simoshile ribs, Indogambambo, Fundini Nansia. Kini show yayo.
Isungana saka wimpi.
Thank you very much.
Isungana saka wimpi. Mtakwetu sikolisa mtakwetu.
Sila. Right about now, it is PE Stand Up. This is an award-winning song. Whoever.
Yes.
Yeah. The side 8. On het gaan gebreek.